Hello everyone, I hope that you're doing well. I just wanted to make this video to discuss things that are going to be happening later on this week and next week. So the first important thing to look at is I have created this study guide for you guys regarding the midterms. Please go over it. If you have any questions, let me know. So basically here is how the midterms will work. Uh, it is basically just going to be the same thing as the oral dialogues. You and your partner will be having a conversation based on one of the prompts. Um, and the possible topics are here. So they're the ones that we have seen so far in the semester. Typically during the regular semester, we would have seen more, but since it's the summer, we've only seen these four. So I'm going to choose between one of those, and I will let you know either the night before or the day of your assigned exam. And then later on that day, when we do have our appointment for the midterm, I'll send you a link to your email to you and your partner so that we may connect virtually through Zoom, as that's what we're using now through the U of A. The session will be recorded. You will need to use your webcam when we are recording the sessions. You'll also have to be able to show your screen at the time of the meeting, and it will be 1 minute in length. And basically what we're trying to do is prevent anyone from reading anything because you're not allowed to write any type of scripts for the oral dialogues or the midterms and finals. Okay, so that is why you have to have both your webcam and a mirror or your selfie camera available to show that you don't have anything outside of your computer or laptop. Okay, so what I would say that you guys should do is meet virtually with your partner and practice these different prompts so that you guys can feel comfortable with any of them the day of, so that because you're not going to know what you're assigned until the night before or the morning of the appointment. Okay, so like I said, if you read anything or if it sounds like you're reading, 50% of your grade is automatically taken off. So please don't do that. It's just 1 minute, so about 30 seconds for each person to talk. So just practice speaking. That's what we're trying to improve, is improving your guys' speaking and conversational abilities with the oral dialogues as well as the midterms and finals. Okay, so how we're going to choose the appointment times is I would like for you guys to coordinate with your partner and discuss 3 times that both of you are available next week, because the midterms are going to be Monday through Friday next week. Send me the times via email and make sure that your partner is copied to the email. And then I will respond back with the time that works the best for me. And I'll keep a list updated on D2L that shows when I'm going to be meeting with each group. Okay, and please also remember that the meetings that we are having are going to be scheduled using the official U of A time, which is Mountain Standard Time. Okay, so if you are in California, maybe you are on a different time, or if you're on the East Coast, then you might be in a different time zone. Remember, we're going to be using Mountain Standard Time for all of our meetings and deadlines for this class. Okay, some things that I recommend for you guys to get the highest amount of points possible for your midterm exam is to reach at least the minimum time limit, which is 1 minute, for both partners to talk in the conversation, to stay on topic with whatever the prompt is. It's also beneficial for you guys to use vocab or verbs from units 1 and 2 on VHL. And if you're worried about you reaching the time limit, if it's a little bit intimidating, some things that you guys can do is include a greeting or a farewell, such as "Hola, ¿cómo estás?" Right? That already takes a couple of seconds up. You guys can interact a little bit, like if your partner, with your partner, you could say, Hola Sara, ¿cómo estás? Or you can introduce yourselves to each other. You can say hola or buenos días, yo soy Stephanie. Hola, buenos días, me llamo René. Whatever you guys want to do. And you can also include a farewell. So, hasta luego, nos vemos, fue un placer. And then this way that eats up a little bit of the time as well. So you guys can practice those things. This is available on D2L. I'll also send it to you guys via email. Okay, and I am working on getting you back your compositions, the rough draft compositions. Those will be back by tonight. I'll send those back to you guys. Okay, and this coming Sunday, you guys will have to complete the VHL activities as well as the partner dialogues. And it looks like that is about it. After that, we'll have to be doing the final draft for the composition, which will be due next Wednesday. We'll be making our appointments for the midterm. And then you guys should have already completed the peer feedback. So I'm going to work on getting all the grades updated this weekend. Please look on D2L for your feedback and let me know if you have any questions. Here through our VHL, you guys can see what we have due this week. Okay. If you have any questions also about VHL, let me know so that I can answer those for you guys. And don't forget to look at the grammar overviews that I have also posted to help you guys with anything that you guys might be struggling with the VHL activities. Okay, so send me an email. Let me know if you guys don't understand anything or if anything is confusing.